I've got Vernee Apollo Lite, and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So actually we have 3 methods. Let's start with the quickest one. Smoothly slide down the upper bar, and here you will notice airplane mode icon. So all you have to do is to click on airplane mode, and that's it. Now it's active. You can notice the plane icon right here, which means that all your networks are deactivated. Then if you would like to turn airplane mode off, smoothly slide the upper bar down and click on the same icon again. So that would be all for this first method. Let's go to the second way of activating flight mode. Just tap and hold power key, and here you will notice airplane mode. Just click on it, and now as you can see it's active. To turn it off, just tap on power key one more time and then select airplane mode to switch it off. And the third method, the actually longest one, is to open the settings at first, then find and click on more under wireless and networks, and here you will notice airplane mode. Just tap on the switcher, and as you can see now it is active. If you would like to turn off flight mode, click on it again, and now it's deactivated. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily turn off all connections in your device with one click. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.